Hey guys, welcome back to AMA Garage 253. I'm Andrew, and today we're going to be replacing my blow-off valve on my 2020 Honda Civic Hatchback Sport model. I bought a Boomba Racing blow-off valve to replace the old one. A little modification, a little upgrade that I plan on doing on this little guy. It's my daily driver right now, but I figured why not have some fun with it. Put a little bit of aftermarket parts, you know, something simple as a blow-off valve on there. So stay with me. I'm going to show you the tools and everything that we need to go ahead and replace this thing. Here we go. Alright guys, so here we go. This is going to be the factory blow-off valve right here. You see you have your vacuum line, you have your harness, and as far as clip right here. The tools that we're going to need today are going to be a flathead screwdriver to remove the clip, a pair of pliers to remove the vacuum line, and then an 8mm to actually remove the blow-off valve. So here we go. Alright, so here's a clip right here. This is what we're going to take off first. There's a little tab. You can push the tab in and pull it up. There's a little tab right here. You're going to push that in, pull it up, and then we're going to remove this, kind of get it out of the way. So there's a little tab on the bottom of this bracket. You just push this down, and then this whole thing will slide out. So we're going to go ahead and move this over here for now. We're gonna go ahead and disconnect the vacuum line. You can see right here is the one, and then you have right here for two. There we go. And I'm only just gonna disconnect the top for now. The whole blow-off valve is gonna come off, so I can get the bottom or that hose off once it's off. So we're gonna start from the bottom. They're 8mm bolts. All right, here we go. Okay, so I got the bottom two out. Now we're gonna hit the top one. Okay, with all three of those out, here's the factory blow-off valve. Super simple. So what we're gonna do is I'm gonna open the box of the Boomba and I'll show you what's all included. All right, so here's the unboxing of the Boomba Racing. So I got this on Amazon. You can get it on their website or Amazon, either one. I think it was a little bit cheaper on Amazon with shipping comparable to the website, so that's why I ordered it. So I went black. Just want it really subtle, especially in the engine bay. So it comes with a little bit longer factory vacuum hose. Really nicely boxed, secure it. And then here is the new replacement blow-off valve. So you can see it says Boomba Racing right on top of it. Start with the top, get the bottom two, and then we'll take the hose clamps off the old one. This one goes right here, and then all you have to do is connect this back to the original line, and then plug the sensor back in. So that's pretty much it. So we're gonna go ahead and get it done right now. All right guys, so it looks like Boomba Racing, their actual video when they did the install, which is obviously what I watched to help me, they don't use the clamp on the bottom. So I found one, just a little kind of clamp right here that I'm just gonna install just to have it, just in case. And then if I don't need it, cool. If I need it, then I have something there. So here we go. I'm gonna slide this back down underneath here like this. Okay. Said I'm gonna start from the top. So I got the top and the two bottom threaded in. So now I'm gonna go ahead and tighten them. So now I just gotta install the vacuum line for the top. Okay, bring the hose clamp up. Just like that, secure, secure. All right, so before I put the clamp back on, there's your new blow-off valve right here. So what we do, there's the top bolt, which has the pink OEM factory marker on there. There's a bottom bolt, bottom bolt. What you're gonna do is you're gonna take this hose right here, you're gonna take this off, take the 8mm bolts off of the blow-off valve. That all comes out. This new hose gets replaced with the new one, which comes factory with the Boomba Racing. You slide that on, you can put your bolts back in, tighten them up, put this back on, and your new blow-off is installed. So the last thing you want to do, like I was saying before, there's this metal bracket right here. So this is gonna actually slide right there. That locks in. This is that little tab that I was talking about. Let's see if I get this to focus. This little tab right here. So that you push this down and then this whole thing will pull off. So the last thing you do is you install sensor right there. That's tight. On there, on there, on there. That is the install of a Boomba Racing blow-off valve. Pretty simple and easy. So let's try it out. Yeah, you can hear a nice little so gotta say it's a nice little upgrade. I'm pretty happy with it. So we'll see what the next next parts are. I ordered some window visors, some Mugen window visors for it. I'm possibly looking at upgrading maybe the turbo, front mount, I don't know, exhaust. We'll see where it takes me. Like I said, I bought it as a daily driver, so that's what I've been doing with it. I absolutely love it. It's fun. It's pretty quick for what it is. A little 1.5 liter turbo. So we'll see where it takes me. You know, I might get a little crazy with it, or I might just leave it the way it is. So we'll see. But that's it for the video. I appreciate you watching. Pretty quick, really easy, a couple tools. And you can do it yourself. So there it is, the Boomba Racing install on my 2020 Honda Civic. We appreciate it if you like and subscribe. Give us some more feedback and comment on the video, so that way, you know, we can see what you like, and go from there. So like I said, we appreciate all the support, and we plan on getting more content out for you. I know we said it in the past, you know, with the scheduling, like I said, it's a little difficult to try to get everything done, but we're slowly starting to put a little bit more things together and get a little bit more time to make some of these videos. So thank you, thumbs up.